Pinterest is a popular platform for finding ideas and inspiration for your home renovation. However, it is also important to keep in mind what you see in Pinterest is not always achievable or would work in your own home. There are a few things to consider when using Pinterest for your bathroom ideas. Budget. The projects you see on Pinterest may be way more expensive to recreate in your own home. Pinterest only shows the final results of a bathroom. It doesn't consider the timeline of how long it took to renovate that bathroom. A bathroom involves many moving parts and people to make it happen, and it could be a timely renovation. Some part of the projects may require specialized skills that you may not possess. In that case, it's extremely important to hire an individual that is expert in that field. It is important to keep these factors in mind when renovating your bathroom according to Pinterest. Use it as an inspiration, but not as a blueprint.